connecting laptop, loading project, and configuring masters. After completing the LCP connections, the next step is to connect a laptop to the network. This can be done in two ways. By connecting the laptop directly to a LAN port of the LCP, or by using the Wi-Fi network lighting control, which we configured earlier. Once the laptop is connected, we can begin configuring the devices. Loading the project on the server. The next step is to load the project into the server. To do this, we first connect the control panel to the internet. As shown in the previous video, plug an external internet cable into the one port of the router. Now, open any browser and enter the local IP address 192.168.30.170. This will bring up the login screen. Enter the project email address and password that were created in the installer. How to create a new project will be explained in the next video. After entering the email address, click Continue Online to load the project for the first time. Later, when opening the same project again, you should not tick this option. Once the project loads, you will see the web app with layout, scenes, and controls. On the left-hand side menu, you'll also see the project ID. Make sure to note this down, it will be needed for master configuration. Configuring the master. Now we configure the master to connect with this project. The masters are already connected by Ethernet cables, but we still need to set them up. At the factory, masters are assigned a static IP address. In this case, it is 192.168.30.147. If you don't know the address, contact the HSI hardware team. Alternatively, you can find it from the network map in the router page, as shown earlier. Once you open the master configuration page, go to MQTT settings. Enter the server details and the project ID, then save the configuration. After this, restart the master by switching off and on the breakers in the LCP. The master will reconnect with the new settings. Verifying the connection with MQTT. To verify the connection, we use the MyMQTT app on Windows. Open the software and enter the server details. The MQTT monitor will connect to the system. Now you can see all the messages for actions performed in the control interface. Messages marked exec indicate that the command was executed successfully. This confirms that both the master and the server are connected. Incoming messages are sent from the app, while outgoing messages are feedback from the master. With this, the initial system installation is complete. In a similar way, we can configure the curtain and thermostat. The difference is that these devices connect through Wi-Fi, not Ethernet. Configuring the curtain. First, power on the curtain controller. It will create its own temporary Wi-Fi network. Connect to this network from your laptop, and the Wi-Fi manager screen will open automatically. From the list of available Wi-Fi networks, select Lighting Control, which we use for the system, and enter its password. Now, the curtain is connected to the system. Enter the additional details as shown in the video. The curtain ID will depend on how the project was created. After saving the configuration, the curtain's temporary Wi-Fi network will disappear. Configuring the thermostat. For the thermostat, a static IP address is assigned by the HSI hardware team. If you don't know it, you can also find the IP from the network map on the router page, as shown earlier. Once you have the IP, open the thermostat configuration page in a browser. Enter the required details as shown in the video, and save the configuration. With this, both the curtain and thermostat are successfully connected to the system.